Your monthly statement isn't just a summary of numbers, it's a critical checkpoint on your path to financial freedom. It shows exactly how far you've come, how much progress you've made, and what steps you need to take next. Each statement highlights your updated financial freedom date, tracks your debt reduction, and provides real-time clarity on your financial momentum. Most importantly, it tells you exactly how much to send to each creditor each month, removing guesswork and ensuring every dollar works toward your goal. Without it, you're flying blind. With it, you have visibility, accountability, and motivation, the three essentials for staying on course and reaching your goals. It's not just a statement. It's your scoreboard, your compass, and your proof that this plan is working. Your monthly statement functions much like a GPS for travel. When you input your current location and your desired destination, the GPS outlines the fastest route from point A to point B, providing not only a map but also detailed driving instructions. Similarly, when you enter your information into the Life and Money Plan (LAMP) system, you receive a comprehensive plan that shows your current financial situation and your goal of becoming debt-free. The monthly statement serves as your driving instructions in this process. When you think about it, the comparison makes perfect sense. The information on the monthly statement pertains only to your fixed debts. Fixed debts have a specific end date and can be paid off. Examples include mortgages, credit cards, auto loans, and student loans, etc. In the LAMP system, expenses that cannot be paid off are referred to as lifestyle expenses. These expenses are ongoing and do not have a definitive end date. Your lifestyle expenses will be included in another section of the LAMP system. Each fixed debt has four key components: a monthly payment, an interest rate, a balance, and the time it will take to pay off the debt. The LAMP system utilizes all four of these factors and performs tens of thousands of calculations to determine the most effective order for paying them off. This is important because, with the LAMP system, you won't need to spend any time each month trying to figure out which debt to accelerate in order to pay it off next. All you need to do is follow your personalized monthly statement. This statement will not only show you the amount to send to each creditor that month, but the system also analyzes each debt. It displays the original and current balances, indicates how much of your payment is going toward the principal, to pay off the debt, and how much is going toward interest. Additionally, it will provide the amount that you will need to pay for the following month and the projected date when each debt will be paid off. Whether you pay your fixed debts manually or by automatic drafts, this information will be helpful to make sure you adjust your payments at the appropriate time when needed. At the top of the page, you will see a comprehensive overview of your current status and the progress you're making. The most important part to focus on is your financial freedom date, which indicates the month and year when you will make your final debt payment. Whenever you update your plan, your statement will be revised accordingly. In addition to having your statement available on your screen, you will receive a copy via email or text message on the 20th of each month, unless you opt out of receiving it. Previous statements will be archived in your account for easy access whenever you need them. Thank you for taking the time to view the monthly statement. We hope that you decide to join our mission of saving America from debt, one family at a time.